I love you here and welcome to my channel. Summertime, what should we do with children to support their understanding in science? We need some ice to cool down, of course. So I want to share an experiment which is called Rescue the Animals. In this activity, you will need some animals, a bowl, some salt, dye, a cup of water, a pipette, and a tray. Don't forget to freeze the animals in water before we use them. These are all we need. Let's start the experiment. This activity provides opportunity for children to observe the eyes, teaches patience when rescuing the animals, and discover on how things work. During children's play, we can use open-ended questions to encourage our children to think and ask. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. I will see you next time. Bye!